Ready to process credit card payments directly through Stripe? Whether it's for a one-time charge or integrating with your sales flow, charging credit cards securely is a core function. In this guide, I'll walk you through the essential steps to successfully charge credit cards using Stripe. To charge a credit card, you'll typically use Stripe's secure payment forms or APIs. If you're charging manually, log into your Stripe dashboard, navigate to the Payments section, and look for an option to Create Payment or New Charge. You'll then enter the customer's credit card details, card number, expiration date, CVC, and billing information. Ensure you collect this information securely, often through a Stripe-hosted solution like Checkout or Payment Links. For programmatic charges, your website or application will send the card token to Stripe's API. Finally, review the charge details and confirm the payment. Stripe handles the security and processing, sending back a success or failure response. You'll then see the transaction recorded in your Stripe dashboard, and there you have it. Charging credit cards with Stripe is straightforward and secure. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.